In this lesson, we'll cover creating groups, specifically model groups. You may ask yourself, what is a group and what is a model group? Well, a group in Revit is a way to combine elements together so they remain as one entity or move as one entity. For example, on my screen, I have 4 diffusers. Those are the squares with the X's in them. And I want to make them all one or move as one entity. I can create a group of them. Right now, they're all individual. So if you click one, it moves independently. And just to illustrate that, if I click on it, I see I can move this one and it has no bearing on the other ones. Now, a model group is a group made of model items, such as these diffusers. You also have detail groups. And a detail group is a group of detail items such as text or tags, like door tags or window tags. In this example, though, we're going to make a model group. So to make a model group, let's go to the Modify tab, and then all the way on the right in the Create panel, click Create Group. First thing Revit is going to ask you is, what do you want to name your group, and you want it to be model or detail based? Well, I'm going to leave mine called Group 1, and I'm going to have it selected as Model Based Group. Click OK. Now the Group Editing toolbar appears, and we need to add elements to the group. So click Add. Now to add elements to the group, I just have to select the elements that I want to be in this group. So I'm going to go ahead and pick on each of the 4 diffusers. With all 4 selected, click Finish. Now visually looks the same, but if you try to move one of the actual diffusers, you'll actually notice a dashed line appears around them, signifying they're in a group. You also see that in the Properties box on the left. And if you try to move these, they all move as one entity. Now the group can be edited. So whenever you select a group, you could edit it by choosing Edit Group in the upper right portion of the ribbon. Once you select Edit Group, the Edit Group toolbar appears again. Let's say we want to remove one of the diffusers from this group. So I'm going to click Remove. Then I'm going to pick the diffuser in the upper right. It changes to a shaded color. Click Finish. Now that one diffuser is removed from the group. So if you click on one of the other diffusers and go to Move, you'll see that those 3 move now still in unison, while the one removed from the group is no longer part of it. Now you also can ungroup whatever is in your group. So if you select your group, you can click Ungroup on the toolbar to the right on the ribbon, and that will ungroup all of your elements back to their individual state. So in this lesson, we looked at creating model-based groups. Model-based groups being anything that is in your Revit model, such as diffusers or walls or doors. A detail group is elements that are not model-based, such as text or tags. We looked at how to add elements to the group, how to remove elements from the group, and then we also looked at how to ungroup those elements that were originally added to the group.